Hey guys, welcome to our freelancing generator channel. Here I will provide you some information about the best online earning platform, that is Upwork. Wondering that how you can earn from this site? Don't worry, it's very easy. If you want to earn online in this COVID-19 situation by staying at home, then do watch this video and follow the setup profile steps. This site only needs your special skills or ideas. And this site explore your talent. So do focus on your talent. How it works: create your profile, explore ways to earn and get paid securely. Sell what you best and let the work find you. Go to the upwork.com and start your making profile by using your ideas. And then sign up by this procedure. After this, a form will appear and do upload your skills and your ideas. And then start your journey. And focus on freelancing specialization and your ideas, what you are master in. This will help you out in finding money and earning money. And then find your next opportunity. Thank you so much for watching my video. And do like and comment on this video. And do share it. Thank you so much.